everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you a trick on Surf Table. So if you want a pet running by your side, but you don't know, I can't speak, but you do not want to fill a bag, then watch this video. So first off, you want to get on another horse. So I've just got my hand down the freezing. Exit your stable. And then go straight back into your stable. And then you want to get off your horse that you went in and out of the stable with and go back on your horse with the saddlebag and simply take the saddlebag out. And then, as you can see, the fox is still here. You can't see it on the horse, but if you click this button or P on your keyboard, it's on the floor and it will follow me around. And as you can see, I've got no saddlebag. And my saddlebag's here and it's still with me. So hope this little video helped. And I know it's really short because it's really simple. So yeah. I hope this helps. Bye everybody.